Good afternoon. I'm Agnes Nyomora from the University of Dar es Salaam, and the Associate Professor for Plant Physiology. Today I will be talking about the effect of moisture on yield and the quality of amaranth in Tanzania, and why that? Because amaranth is a common African traditional vegetable, and unfortunately, in Tanzania, we consume only 40 kilogram dry weight per person per year, as opposed to the world minimum recommended 73 kilogram dry weight per person per year. And this is due to poor variability because of low production, instigated in partly by the low soil moisture sometimes. And this one causes low vegetable grain yield and the nutritional quality. So why do we want to study this? Because amaranth is a key vegetable and it offers some nutritional values. It is a source of income and it has got some medicinal value in some parts of the country. So our objective was to evaluate the effect of different moisture regime on productivity and the nutritional quality, and specifically to evaluate the performance of other amaranth genotypes in vegetative and the grain yields, as well as on the nutritional quality of the leaves and the grains. We planted the 6 genotypes at World Vegetable Center in Arusha in April to August 2018, and we superimposed it on 3 irrigation frequencies, once every 2 weeks, once every week, and twice a week, against the six entries that we obtained from ABRDC, and a split plot arrangement with 4 replications. The records were taken on weight and of the marketable yield and the quality of the crude protein and iron, and the data were analyzed using the GenStat software, and I can show you the 6 varieties that we used from ABRDC 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the other one is the local variety from Tanzania. And we planted and transplanted 24 days after emergence. We applied 0.5 liters per pot every time that we irrigated according to the treatment now. Other agronomical practices were adhered to, and we recorded the yield parameters for vegetative marketable yield and the grain yield, as well as the nutritional on crude protein determination and the iron using spectrophotometer. And the results are that the irrigation frequencies and the entry main effects, as well as their interaction, were highly significant. And the Madiira outperformed others, while the lowest yields in terms of vegetables were from Brazil, Mchicha and AH-TL. The opposite was true for the grain yield, whereby the AH-TL, Mchicha and Bresil gave the highest production, and while the local gave less. And the plants irrigated twice every week gave the highest vegetable and the grain yield, as you can see in table 1 for the vegetative growth, and table 2 for the grain, and table 3 is the combined effect of irrigation frequencies and the genotypes. I think we are going to investigate the productivity and the nutritional quality of other amaranth in future, start the critical amaranth water requirement in different agroecological zones in Tanzania to get the specific crop water consumption, as well as to study the anti-nutritional quality of different genotypes using different irrigation frequencies, as well as the nutrient dynamics versus the irrigation. Thank you for watching. and I wish you all the best.